This Fairfax Realty Select property video is presented by Amir Khan. Separate deeded parking include with this 2-level private entrance townhouse-style spacious condo. Features solid hardwood floors, all SSA, gas cooking with sharp drawer microwave. Exotic quartz countertop and maple shaker white kitchen cabinets. Powder room on living room level. Built-in sound, Augusta Entry system, pet-friendly, close to Washington Hospital and Metro, front porch and common outdoor area and much more. For more information, review the details below.